So we have some good news for eBay private sellers, and I'm going to try to keep it simple to the point, and I'm going to explain with the best of my knowledge. From October 2024, it is free to sell on eBay, and this only applies to private sellers. This is not for business sellers. And those private sellers have to be UK based sellers. They have to be based in UK as well. So the article right here is it is free, easy and safe to sell on eBay for UK based private seller. You only get 300 free listings every month, and you only pay the fee for optional listing upgrade if you deliver the item to overseas. So if you are a private seller and you offer international shipping, then it doesn't apply to you. And also, listing upgrades are like, subtitles, promoted listing, international visibility, special duration, all that kind of stuff. That fee always been there. But if you just want to do the simple listing and you will sell the item, there is no listing fee and there is no final value fee as well. There are other things. Obviously, international fee is listed here as well, and also there is a eBay shop subscription fee. You don't have to have a eBay shop subscription to understand what the eBay shop subscription is. You should watch the lecture on eBay shop subscription. If you are a business seller, everything else is exactly the same. You will pay listing fee, you will also pay final value fee as well. And for someone out there who is thinking, okay, it's probably better to have a private account. Maybe if your account is already old and that account was a private account, then I wouldn't ask you to upgrade that account unless eBay will force you to update, because there is a huge saving on the fee. But if you're going to create a new account, you will need to comply with eBay terms and conditions. The private seller's fee is not there. I believe is eBay is trying to compete with different platforms, and for the people who are recreational sellers, like they are trying to get rid of the stuff which is sitting inside their house, this is incentive for them to jump on eBay, and down the line they will just get the kind of hang of it, and they probably wanna make it a full-time career. I think that's the reason eBay have made free for the private sellers. So again, if you don't have an account, create a business account, and I will link this article inside the description as well, so you can read more detail of it. To simplify that again is that if you are a private seller on eBay, you are based in UK, there is no fee unless you have optional upgrade. For example, you promote your listings, or you use subtitles, anything like that, or you offer international shipping. If you offer international shipping, this won't be free. As long as you offer a UK shipping, you don't use any additional options like the one mentions here, reserve, price, subtitle, gallery plus listing in 2 categories, all of this, then it will be free for you. So I hope it's a good news for some people. And to have a better understanding for the fee, again, I say you should watch the lecture. It's still relevant, where I have explained the fee in general. It's just a difference only gonna apply to our private sellers.